Season 2, Episode Hello 4. You have 20 chances. Please turn off your device and leave your device. Uh-oh. You didn't turn off your device. Then you have 19 chances. Please turn off your device.
Kuya Clay, give na to Lolo. Lobat na, oh.
But that's 33%.
It's 33 pa daw. Ay,
But
nako.
this is 18.
Ayoko.
Then you got 18 chances. Please turn off your
Oh,
device.
ikaw bumili. Teachers na daw sabi ni Lolo.
Listen, you got 17 chances. Please turn off your device. Or else I'm gonna be bad. Or just disappointed.
Ano December din?
Hey,
Oo, di ba? Mga rebanded.
I'm not mad. Then you got 16 chances. I'm not mad. I am disappointed.
Tapos naka-iPhone pa.
How dare you? You're not turning your device. Alright, 15 chances. Turn off your device.
Namimigay.
Mm.
Brown envelope. Nawawas ko.
Just what
Sabi
is
mo mga
too
nasa jeep, oh.
bad?
Palda ko dito, ah. Laki dito.
Then you got
Apply ka ba?
40 chances.
Puro brown envelope na malalaki. Ano to, birth certificate?
Okay, then you got 13 chances. Turn off your device. Come on, turn off your device, or I will scare you. 12 chances. Then, I don't have anybody. Then, you got 11 chances. Turn off your device, or I won't scare you. What are you doing? What are you turning off your device? Then you got 10 chances. Come on.